Move on and shift focus to some national updates, because today being the 43rd day of the farmer agitation going on, and the Kisan Union leaders are holding a tractor rally in the national capital a day ahead of the 8th round of talks that are slated between the centre and the farmers, which are all set to take place tomorrow. Now, nearly 7 rounds of talks that have happened have so far mainly remained inconclusive, as the main demand of the farmers being for a complete rollback on the 3 new farm laws is something which is not acceptable to the centre. We'll be going across to our reporters there on ground, getting us an update. Sumi is with us, and also Shivani joining us from the Singhu border. Sumi, coming across to you first. There are several diversions too that have been reported from this tractor rally that was earlier slated to happen yesterday, but because of the inclement weather, the farmers have gone ahead with the tractor rally today.
Yes, Amita, right now we are stationed on NH24, and this particular tractor rally, which comprises hundreds of tractors, has started from Ghazipur border in Ghaziabad, and it is moving towards Dasna, which is 21 kilometers from the Ghazipur border. And if they don't get any resistance, it will further move to Palwal in Haryana, and it will get back through the expressway. The tractor rally is, let me tell you, is organized by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, and it is an umbrella of 40 farmer unions, and it is on the Eastern Peripheral Expressway, which is like a 135-kilometer long 6-lane stretch that connects Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, and it passes through the Gautam Buddha Nagar. And yes, the diversions that you were talking about, Amita, there will be diversions at several points. People taking these routes will have to be careful, because they will face traffic disruptions a lot. Peripheral Expressway, the police in the Gautam Buddha Nagar have said that the vehicles will not be allowed on the Eastern Peripheral from Beal to Akbarpur and Sirsa between 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. And similarly, the vehicles will not be allowed on the Sirsa cut and the Beal Akbarpur towards Sonipat from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and will be diverted.
Absolutely. Let's listen into a reaction also coming in, because the farmer unions have said that they will further intensify with their agitation. You have the tractor rally that has been called in today. Also, they are also planning for another tractor rally for the Republic Day. But this is something that we'll talk about once we hear more the reactions coming in, and then we'll go across to Shivani.
ट्रैक्टर रैली चलेंगे, लेकिन आज रिहर्सल है और 26 तारीख की ये तैयारी है। किस्म से
कहाँ से कहाँ तक आपका दौरा रहेगा?
ये यहाँ से रहेंगे, हम डासना जाएंगे, डासना से फिर अलीगढ़ रोड पर जाएंगे, और अलीगढ़ रोड पर वहाँ रुकेंगे, वहाँ लंगर भंडारा होगा, फिर वहाँ से वापसी आएंगे। ये रहेगा।